Welcome back, dear students. Today I am going to focus at the poem that is Courage. Dear students, before starting this poem, try to understand the theme of this poem. Dear students, courage, it gives us the will and the determination to shape our world. Dear students, courage is also the determinations to shape our future, the acceptance of our faults, the power to lead, and the will to scale the new heights. Dear students, ultimately we can say that courage is a solid base for our dreams and it frees our mind, body, and soul. Dear students, each and every boy, each and every person, they must have courage. Without courage, we cannot achieve anything in our life. Dear students, courage is called strength when you can stand up, when it may be easier to fall down. So now students, move towards our poem stanza. Courage is the strength to stand up when it is easier to fall down and lose hold. It is the convictions to explore new horizons when it is easier to believe what we have been told. Here students, in the first stanza, the poet says that, here students, the poet who is anonymous. Students, anonymous means what? Unknown. And here poet says that courage is the strength that help us to stand up when it is easy to fall down and lose the control over situations. Here students, the poet has given an example. We have seen a small kid who is trying to learn, who is learning something, how to walk. Students, in that case, the kid knows that he or she will fall certainly, but he or she again stands up. That is courage. Yes, students, in this stanza, the poet is trying to explain what does mean courage. Courage is something here, students, when you know that you will fall. Courage is something here, students, that you know this will not happen, but trying to do it again, students. So, courage is a passion here, students. It means that well or strong determination. So, courage is a passion to look for new aspects. Here, students, poet is trying to give message to us. When it is easy to accept the things which has been told. Here, students, we have heard, listened so many things from so many people. In order to take some certain decision, you must have courage. And here, students, the poet says that what the people give idea, what the people give suggestion to you, first of all, you have to understand from your point of view to give a new angle to the same thinking, that is courage. It means, students, you have to listen from many people, and what you have to take your own decision, it's upon you. For that, students, you have courage. To take a certain decision, you must have courage. And in this way, students, the poet explained a very good definitions of courage here. Courage is the desire to maintain our integrity. When it is easier to look the other way, it is feeling happy and alive and moving forward when it is easier to feel sorry for ourselves and stay. Here, students, in the second stanza, the poet wants to tell us that it is easy to fall, it is easy to lose hope, it is easy to sympathize for oneself, it is easy to hold back and feel sorry. It is easy to take rest, but it takes a lot of courage. It takes a lot of guts to get up and show integrity. Here, students, integrity means a kind of unity. It could be honesty. It is easier to look the other way. Here, students, I can do shortcut and I can take rest too. As well, I can just cry to corner of my room. But here, students, no, I'm not allowed to do that because I am courageous girl. I am courageous boy, courageous man. It's my duty to face this type of difficulties because this is my courageous feeling. And this courageous feeling will not do this type of thing in my life. Whichever or whatever thing will come before me, I will face, I will defeat it very well, and I will win, I will get success. This is my passion. Here, students, in our life we have committed a lot of mistakes. So here, accept that mistake very courageously. Yes, students, to accept mistake there must be courage. Those who have courage, they will accept their own mistakes. And here, students, in our life we have done a lot of mistakes, so accept that and move forward by correcting that mistakes forward, and make sure that you will not repeat, you will not commit the same mistakes in your life in future. So, students, this is a message of the second stanza here. In this way, students, we have to stop here. I hope that you have understood the poem stanzas. The rest of the poem stanzas I will discuss in the next video. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.